Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to recover administrator account in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click System, click Recovery. Click Restart now. Click Startup Settings. Press F5. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Manage User Accounts. Click Manage Another Account, select your user account. Click Change the account type. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.